Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, English for Today. English Listening Test. This test consists of 30 questions which are divided into 6 parts. Before we get started, bring a pen and paper so you can take notes while listening. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm here to check in. I have a reservation under the name of John Smith.
Okay, let me just check that for you. Yes, Mr. Smith, we have your reservation. Can I please see your ID and credit card?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. And would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
All right, your room is on the 3rd floor. Here's your key card. And breakfast is served from 7 o'clock to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor. Do you need help with your luggage?
No, I'm good, thank you.
All right, enjoy your stay.
Choose the correct option. Hi, can I talk to you for a moment?
Of course, what's up?
I wanted to ask if you could work overtime this weekend. We have a big project coming up and I need some extra help.
I'm not sure if I can. I have plans with my family.
I understand, but this project is really important and we need all hands on deck. Can you try to reschedule your plans?
I'll see what I can do. Can I let you know by tomorrow?
That works. Thank you for considering it.
No problem. Is there anything else you need help with?
Actually, yes. I was wondering if you could also help train a new employee next week. They'll be joining our team and I want to make sure they get up to speed quickly.
Sure, I can do that. When do you need me to start?
How about Monday? You can start by showing them the basics and answering any questions they have.
Sounds good. I'll make sure to be prepared.
Great, I appreciate your help. Choose the correct option.
International Student ID card?
Yes, that's right.
Have you got the form?
Yes, here it is.
OK, let's see. Name, Ahmed. Surname, Saeed. Age 14. Address, oh, what's your address?
14 Spring Avenue.
14 Spring Avenue.
Leicester.
Can you spell that, please?
Leiceester.
What's your postcode?
LE14 2GZ.
LE14 2GS.
No, 2GZ.
OK, 2GZ. And what's your nationality?
I'm British.
What's your school?
Newtown Secondary School. NEWTOWN.
And what's your date of birth?
The 2nd of June, 1998.
The 2nd of the 6th, 1998. Have you got a photo?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. One moment, please. And here's your card.
Thanks. Bye.
Choose the correct option.
Hi Ishmael, how are you?
Hi, Jack. I'm okay, but I've got loads of homework.
Me too. But would you like to come with us to the cinema tonight?
Who's us?
Me, Jamie, Nicola and Selena.
Okay. And what's the film?
We don't know. We can't decide. There's that new horror film, Light and Dark.
No. I don't like horror films.
OK. Well, there's a comedy about a school.
Oh, no more school, please. What about a rom-com?
Rom-com?
You know, romantic comedy. Boy meets girl.
Oh, what? Really? Oh, no. I hate romantic films. I like action.
Well, there's a new science fiction film, Alien Attacks.
Okay, I like science fiction. Let's see that.
Okay, I'll ask the others if they like sci-fi.
What time is the film?
At 8 o'clock. Let's meet at 7:30 outside the cinema.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Choose the correct option. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Can I help you with something?
Yes, please. I'd like to order some food.
Of course. What would you like to have?
I'll have a burger with fries, please.
How would you like your burger cooked?
Well done, please.
And would you like any toppings on it?
Yes, I'll have lettuce, tomato, and cheese on it.
Great. And what kind of fries would you like?
Just regular fries, please.
Got it. And would you like any drinks with your meal?
Yes, I'll have a cola.
Sure thing. Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes. Thank you for dining with us. Choose the correct option.
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Of course. What dates will you be staying with us?
I'll be arriving on August 15th and leaving on August 17th.
Great. And how many people will be staying in the room?
Just me.
Okay. We have a single room available for those dates. Would you like to book that?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Your room rate will be $100 per night. How would you like to pay for it?
I can pay with my credit card.
Okay, I'll just need to take a credit card imprint from you. Can you please fill out this form with your personal information?
Sure thing.
Choose the correct option. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section.